Now that we finished reviewing to be, we're going to talk about present continuous, okay? So, present continuous, as I mentioned earlier, talks about what is happening at the moment, what is happening right now. For example, I am speaking right now, I am drinking right now, I am writing right now, I am waving right now to talk about something that's happening right now at this moment. Okay? So take a look at this screen over here. Okay. So we have two sentences. One, I eat. I eat. This is a simple present sentence. I eat. Number two, we have I am eating, which is a present continuous example. When you take a look at this timeline, it explains a little bit better. For number one, I eat as for simple present. This is nothing to do with time. Yes, it is in the present tense. It's not in the past. It's not in the future. But there's no limit with the time and when that is happening. Okay? So I eat as for a habit, right? Versus if you take a look at number two sentence, we have I am eating, which is present continuous. So right now can be different within the context. For example, right now at 12:53 p.m. to 24 seconds, boom, that is also now. But also some people might refer to now as today. Now is this hour, this like whole hour of 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Or right now for the 5 minute, like 2 minutes ago and 3 minutes after, as now. It depends on the context. For this example, I will use now as right now. And if I am eating, then right now I would say I am eating. I am eating. Just like this example here. This describes that I am right now eating. Like, oh, I'm eating right now. I just took a bite. I'm eating right now. Right? You're explaining about what is happening at the moment. That is what you want to talk about using present continuous. For example, people might ask, what are you doing right now? I'm sure you have heard of this phrase before. It is to talk about what is happening right now. Okay, so how do we make present continuous sentence like I am eating? Let's take a look at key point up here. Okay, so for you to make a present continuous sentence, you first need a subject. Subject is like I, we, he, she, it, Coco, Kevin, whatever you would like to use as a subject. And we need the be. For example, if you use I, you want to use am. He is. We are. That's the be we just talked about in the previous video. And then we have a verb with ing. What does that verb ing mean? Verb is some vocabularies we learned on the previous section, which describes an action. For example, we have a verb eat. Eat. And when you add ing, that is eating. If you la 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 sing, you add ing at the end and make it singing. That's the verb plus ing. For example sentences, subject I, be is am, verb is eat, then I am eating. Same for the second sentence. She is singing. That's how you make present continuous sentence. Okay, so this was a lecture video for syntax of present continuous. I would like you to turn your page over to the next page and work on this practice 1.4, where it says, let's practice. Change the verb form to present continuous. For example, number 1, I have I blank eat right now. I want to use the eat verb. So for you to do it, we have a subject. Next thing we need is be, am, and we have a verb eat plus ing right now. I am eating right now. Let's think about and do number 2 together. We have I blank cook right now. How do we do that? So we need a subject first, which is I. We already have that. What do we need? I. Be is am, right? Am. And we would put the verb cook and make it in ing form. I am cooking right now. That's how you would make this sentence. So work on the rest from number 3 to number 7 on your own and follow along the video. Thanks for watching.